إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف، هذا هو الطيب منهم.
And you have some of the Muslims that imitate these people. Look, Sa'di said, Naam, some people those who lack Iman, when Allah blesses them, they respond with what? Insolence, arrogance and transgression. And thus their mannerisms further deteriorate. They may have been immoral before, but they become more immoral. And they receive them like an animal with greed and restlessness. You know, when you, for example, if you feed a lion, the lion wants to eat your hand. That's like some of these people and how they behave. Whereas the believer, when Allah blesses them, they become more humble. Allahumma inni abduk, wa ibnu abdik, wa ibnu amatik. Oh Allah, I'm your slave, the son of your slave, the son of your female slave. And it does not matter whether that person is a king or a regular person. Everyone in the heavens and the earth is a servant to Allah. The more you recognize that and the more you actualize that in your life, the happier you will be. Sa'di, he said, the other person who lacks Iman responds to blessings and pleasant things with insolence, arrogance and transgression, and thus his mannerisms further deteriorate and he receives them like an animal with greed and restlessness. Despite this, his heart is still not content. Rather, it is anxious for a number of reasons. He is anxious because he fears the loss of the things that he loves. So yes, look, he has all of those blessings, but he's still paranoid. Still paranoid. Can't even enjoy what's before him. He is anxious because he fears the loss of the things that he loves. And due to the many struggles normally associated with them, he is also anxious because the souls are endlessly desirous. And they continuously desire more things. Naam. If the son of Adam had 2 valleys of gold, he would want a third. Regardless of what we have, ikhwan, our soul is going to desire more. Nothing is going to fill it except the earth when it is placed in its mouth in the grave. May Allah bless us all with a good ending. If the son of Adam had 2 valleys of gold, he would still want a third. You hear some people, I want to be a millionaire. They're a millionaire. I want to be a billionaire. I'm still not fulfilled. They're a billionaire. I'm still not fulfilled. I'm a billionaire. I want more. Now I'm still anxious.